Simulasi pembelajaran teks recount di kelas Bu Ratna. Konteks, kelas 8 SMP, pelajaran bahasa Inggris. Bu Ratna baru saja menyapa dan membuat suasana kelas nyaman. Bu Ratna, dengan senyum lebar dan antusias. Good morning everyone. How are you all feeling today? Ready for some fun English? Murid-murid, serempak. Good morning Bu Ratna. We're good. Ready.
BU Ratna. Fantastic. All right, before we jump into our lesson, I have a little challenge for you. Close your eyes for a moment and think about the most exciting or perhaps the funniest thing that happened to you recently. Just one short memory.
Murid-murid terdiam sejenak, beberapa tersenyum simpul.
BU Ratna. Okay, open your eyes. Who wants to share their moment of magic or epic fail first? Don't worry about perfect English. Just tell us what happened.
Bima. Mengangkat tangan ragu-ragu. May Ibu, last Saturday, I fell from my bicycle when I tried a new trick. It was embarrassing.
BU Ratna. Tertawa kecil. Mendorong Bima. Oh no, Bima. Tell us more. What happened exactly? Did you get hurt? And what was the trick you were trying? Bima. I tried to do a wheelie, BU, but my front wheel went too high, and I just landed on the ground. My friends laughed so hard. BU Ratna. Haha, I can imagine. But hey, that sounds like a great story, Bima. Thank you for sharing.
Beberapa murid lain mulai berbisik dan ingin berbagi.
Alia. Enthusiast. BU. I went to the beach with my family last holiday. We built a huge sandcastle, and then a big wave came and destroyed it. But it was still fun. BU Ratna. Wow, Alia, that sounds like an adventure. What was the name of the beach? And what did the sandcastle look like before the wave hit? Alia. It was Kuta Beach in Bali, BU. Our sandcastle had 3 towers and a little flag. BU Ratna. Amazing. See everyone? Bima and Alia just told us about something that happened to them. They described the event, what happened first, then next, and how they felt. And guess what? That's exactly what we're going to learn about today.
Bu Ratna beralih ke papan tulis atau proyektor, menunjukkan slide dengan judul besar, Recount Text, Telling Your Story.
BU Ratna. Today, we're going to learn about recount text. Simply put, a recount text is a text that tells about past events or experiences in the order they happened, like Bima's bike accident or Alia's beach trip, Fundi. So it's like telling a story, BU? BU Ratna. Exactly, Fundi. It's like telling a story, but it focuses on real events that already happened. Now, to make our stories interesting and clear, recount texts usually have a few important parts. Think of it like building a house. You need a foundation, walls, and a roof.
Bu Ratna mulai menjelaskan struktur teks recount, orientation, events, reorientation, dengan memberikan contoh-contoh dari cerita Bima dan Alia yang baru saja dibagikan.
BU Ratna. For example, Bima's story. The orientation was last Saturday when he tried a new trick. The events were when his front wheel went too high, he landed on the ground, and his friends laughed. And the reorientation could be how he felt embarrassed, but perhaps learned a lesson. Rina. Does it always have to be in order, BU? What if I forget something? BU Ratna. Great question, Rina. Yes, it's best to tell events in chronological order so the reader can follow easily. But don't worry, if you forget something, you can always add it in. The goal is to make your story clear and engaging. And speaking of engaging, what kind of words can we use to make our stories more vivid? Think about adjectives and adverbs.
Bu Ratna kemudian membagikan potongan-potongan koran atau majalah berisi berita atau kisah nyata singkat.
BU Ratna. Now in your groups, I want you to find at least 5 words or phrases from these texts that make the story more exciting, more dramatic, or clearer. For example, instead of just he ran, maybe he sprinted quickly or he dashed frantically.
Murid-murid mulai bekerja dalam kelompok, berdiskusi, dan mencari kata-kata. Bu Ratna berjalan antar kelompok, mendengarkan, memberikan masukan personal. That's an excellent choice, Yoga. Unexpectedly really adds a sense of surprise to the event. How about you, Sarah? What vivid word did you find?
Sarah. I found terrified BU. It's better than just scared. BU Ratna. Absolutely, Sarah. Terrified really makes us feel the emotion. Fantastic. Keep up the great work, everyone. Remember, your stories are unique, and with the right words, you can make anyone feel like they were right there with you.
Simulasi ini menunjukkan bagaimana Bu Ratna, 1. Membuka pelajaran dengan engaging questions yang relevan dengan pengalaman siswa. 2. Mendorong partisipasi aktif sejak awal. 3. Menggunakan contoh dari murid sendiri untuk menjelaskan konsep, membuat materi lebih personal dan mudah dipahami. 4. Menjelaskan teori dengan analogi yang sederhana, membangun rumah. 5. Memfasilitasi pembelajaran kolaboratif melalui aktivitas kelompok. 6. Memberikan feedback yang spesifik dan membangun secara personal. 7. Menekankan pentingnya kekuatan cerita dan penggunaan kata yang tepat, bukan hanya tata bahasa.